This is the #1 tool in my cabinet.
You ask anyone who's a pro, anyone on the circuit, like, what do I need besides a cooker to get started? And the first thing everyone says is Thermapen.
As a restaurant owner in the restaurant, it's important to have that kind of equipment that's ultra accurate, because you've got to know at any given time where your temps are at.
I'm saying this is my go-to. Anytime I'm cooking anything, if I don't have this, I might as well just throw it in the garbage. I do not know where I'm at without this. Seriously. In fact, when I first started out, I bought a little cheap Walmart instant read for 12 bucks, because I thought, $100? How could that possibly be worth 100 bucks? And then when I realized that this gets your temperature in 3 seconds rather than like a minute and a half, it's worth the money.
113, 112.
Anywhere from the dude that's doing the backyard to Malcolm Reed, all of it. So you have to have a Thermapen. If you don't have it, then you have those little junky ones in your drawer, toss them to take up space. Spend that $100 to get one of these, because they'll change your entire cooking career.
We're trying to get the steak to an absolute specific temperature. And if you don't have a thermometer that allows you to read within 2 or 3 seconds, it's not going to be accurate, and you're not going to know that you're at that temperature that you need to be at.
So you're cooking, right? You have a certain temperature to get. You open up that lid, you stick it with your Walmart brand thermometer, stick it in there, and you're waiting and waiting and waiting for it to come to temp, waiting and waiting and waiting. Meanwhile, your heat's going. Take it out, you finally got the temp that might be right. Close it, and then now your 225 is now 125, and you got to get right up there. Thermapen, you go bump, and you're done. It's right here. You're pulling. Well, it tells me exactly where I need to be, right where I need to be at, so I pull it off. There's no 10 degree swings anywhere. I know exactly when I put that in within a few seconds. That's exactly, just like with these. That's a 165 cook. If I don't get that right, they're overcooked. I'm gonna use it literally every day. I'm not kidding.
You will throw away $100 in meat without one of these. This is absolutely perfect. This is the #1 for everybody. Absolutely. There's nothing better than this pen right here.